you don't need a paid Microsoft 365 Copilot license to start creating content with AI at work. If you have any Microsoft 365 subscription, you already have access to Copilot Web Chat, and it can do a lot more than most people realize. In this clip from my Pluralsight course on Copilot Web Chat, I'll show you how to use it to draft email replies, write internal blog posts, and generate social media posts. No extra license required. Let's get into it. Let's jump into a demo and see how Copilot Web Chat can help us generate different types of text-based content. Back in the lab, let's start with a work experience, and instead of going to chat, I will go to Outlook. Here I have an email from Vanessa giving me an update on the progress the team made on a project over the past few days, and also asking me if I'm able to complete my required deliverables during the time frame. And because I have Copilot in Outlook here, and this is Copilot Web Chat just included in Outlook, it's free for everybody in Microsoft 365, and the cool thing is that it can use this email as context, so I can use Copilot to help me draft emails. So let me ask Copilot here, draft a reply confirming that I can deliver the required deliverables by next week. Let Vanessa know that I have 2 items that are 90% complete and one that still needs input from the design team, so I may need an extra day or 2 on that one. Keep the tone professional but friendly, and suggest a quick 15-minute sync call on Monday to align on the priorities before we lock the timeline. Let me send this prompt over here, and while Copilot is thinking, I do want to remind you that you should always validate whatever Copilot creates, whether it's a report, an answer to the email. Always validate it, read it before you click send. In this case with Copilot Chat, you do have to manually copy it into your reply, so it's an extra step you have to do, but use the step to validate that you like what Copilot delivered. And Copilot finished answering here. As you can see, it's a really large answer, but remember, you don't need to accept the first answer that Copilot gives you. You can always ask Copilot, for example, make it a bit shorter, and add that I'll send over a status update document before the call so we can use it as a reference. This is an example where you can keep it conversational with Copilot. Don't accept that first answer. Ask it for edits. Ask it to remove things or add things. You are the final boss when it comes to using AI, and make sure you ask Copilot everything you want changed. And let's see here, the email is a lot shorter, and it also talks about I'll send over a brief status update document ahead of time so we can use it as a reference. So it did what I asked it to do. So this is an example on how you can use Copilot to draft emails. Now let me go back to the Microsoft 365 chat here. Of course, we're still in Copilot Web Chat. And let me ask Copilot, I'm an IT administrator at Global Mantics, and I need to write an internal blog post for our company intranet, announcing that we've completed the migration of Microsoft 365 to all 2,400 employees across 5 offices. The tone should be celebratory but professional. Include a thank you to the Change Champions team and highlight key stacks, which are 89% Teams adoption, 92% training completion, and with what's coming next. Keep it under 500 words. Let me send this prompt over here, and while Copilot is creating my blog post, I do want to highlight, take a look at all the ingredients that we added in that prompt. We added the context, so what we are writing about. We added expectations such as the tone should be celebratory but professional. Keep it under 500 words. We're also asking it what to cover inside, so add a thank you to the Change Champions team, and do mention the key stack. So the more details we give Copilot, the better the first draft at least will be. And Copilot delivered, if we look at it really quick, just some of the highlights, you can see that we're excited to share that the Microsoft 365 migration has officially been completed to all 2,400 Global Mantics employees across our 5 offices. It does mention some of the stats here, the 89% Microsoft Teams adoption and 92% training completion. So that is amazing. It does have the special thank you that we asked to the Exchange Champions team, and it ends with what's coming next. So that is really, really cool. But again, remember, if ever you want any edits, don't hesitate to ask Copilot. You see here right away, I'm looking at this blog post and it starts with, "We're excited to share." I feel like every post those days starts like that. So let me go and ask Copilot here, can you make the opening sentence more engaging? Something that grabs attention rather than starting with, "We're excited to share." Also, add a short call to action at the end, encouraging employees to share their favorite Microsoft 365 tips in the comments. So let me send this to Copilot here, and then we're going to wait a few seconds for the answer. And there we go, we got our first answer here. And wow, it starts very differently. 2,400 employees, 5 offices, 1 modern collaboration platform. Global Mantics is now fully live on Microsoft 365. It's exactly what I wanted it to change, so this is great. Let me go here at the bottom. We do have a call to action. Do you have a favorite Microsoft 365 tip, Teams trick, or productivity shortcut? Share it in the comments below. So Copilot again did exactly what I wanted it to do. And this is again a reminder, you don't have to be satisfied with the first thing that Copilot gives. Keep it conversational, ask for tone changes, ask for clarification, ask for adding things, and Copilot will deliver. Now let me start a new chat over here and take a look at another example. Now, I'm not sure about you, but something that I've often seen in organization is when your organization publishes some new news or a blog post. And I'll take this example here on the Pluralsight blog, one of the recent blog posts here, and then they ask every employee to amplify it on social media. But then sometimes it can be hard to be excited or to write a social post about something that's maybe not in your team or that you haven't worked on directly. This is where Copilot can help you get started and overcome writer's block. And you don't need to copy the full blog post here because Copilot has access to web grounding. So what you could say is, my company just published this blog post, and then you see I have a link to the blog. Marketing is asking employees to share it on social media. Can you create 2 different LinkedIn posts that I can choose from under 200 words each, with a different angle for each one, and 1 short post for X under 140 characters? Make them sound like they're coming from me as an employee who is genuinely excited, not like a corporate press release. Keep it authentic and professional. So let's take a look at the examples Copilot will get. And there we go, Copilot finished here. You see I have my first LinkedIn post option, practical and people first here, which is cool. It also includes a link to the blog post. I love it. Then I have another LinkedIn post option with the change, growth, and modern work angle, which is still under that 200 words mark, but talks about the blog post in a different way, so that's great. And then I have an X or Twitter post under 140 characters that can help me promote the blog post. Again, those are just first drafts by Copilot. You can either tell Copilot to edit one of them, or you can copy paste it in Word, do a few edits. Remember to take the output from Copilot and any AI tool and make sure you adapt it and customize it, because you're going to be the one posting it at the end of the day. Before we're done with this demo, let me switch over to Copilot Personal here. And let's say I want to ask Copilot here, I'm organizing a neighborhood barbecue and need to write a fun invitation to send it in our WhatsApp group chat. The barbecue is on Saturday, June 14th at 2 p.m. at my place at 123 Maple Street. Everyone should bring a side dish or dessert to share. Kids and dogs are welcome. We'll have burgers, hot dogs, and veggie options on the grill. Make it fun and casual, and not too long because it's for a group chat. So you can use Copilot for personal scenarios like this as well. And you see this one, it answered really, really quickly. and it created a pretty short message that covers everything I asked it to in a really, really fun way. And I love here, kids and dogs are totally welcome, so bring the whole crew. I really think this message showed how Copilot captured that fun invitation, and this is a casual invitation message, and was able to create the text for me that now I can simply copy-paste. This is it for this demo in which we have covered how to create text-based content with Copilot Web Chat. That's just one clip from the full course, so if you want to learn everything from getting started with Copilot Web Chat to summarizing documents, creating images or infographics for your work, and using it responsibly, the full course is on Pluralsight, link in the description below. And make sure you subscribe for more Copilot and Microsoft 365 content, and I'll see you in the next one.